Hey everybody, today we're looking at 5 dividend stocks that are 100% franked for passive income. These 5 dividend stocks we're looking at today, what we'll get back from in dividends if we invest $5,000 in each. Before I continue, I must say this is not financial advice. You must do your own research before doing any investing. I am Australian, I invest in the Australian stock market or the ASX. If you do not invest in the Australian stock market, this information might not be helpful to you. Now let's get to the video. First company, Nine Entertainment Corporation Holdings Limited. Stock code NEC. Nine Entertainment is a news and media company in Australia, broadcasts in television and TV. Current price per share is $1.99.5. 52-week high $2.27. 52-week low $1.78. If we look over the previous year, it started at $2.03, currently at $2, which is a difference of 3 cents. If we look over the previous 5 years, start at $1.49, currently at $2, which is 51 cents difference. The most recent dividend payout was 5 cents for a total of 11 cents for 2023. Dividend yield is currently at 5.5% at 100% franked. They pay out in April and October. Second company, BHP Group Limited, stock code BHP. BHP Group Limited is a diverse resources company which extracts, processes and markets metals, minerals, coal, iron ore and petroleum products to the global market. Current price per share is $47.54, 52-week high $50.84, 52-week low $41.66. If we look at the previous year, it started at $49.51, currently at $47.54, which is $1.97 difference. If we look at the previous 5 years, it started at $31.13, currently at $47.54, which is $16.41 difference. The most recent dividend payout was $1.25 for a total of $2.61.5 for 2023. Dividend yield is currently at 5.2% at 100% franked. They pay out in March and September. Third company, VGI Partners Global Investments Limited, stock code VG1. VGI Partners Global Investments Limited is an Australian-based investment company. The principal activity of the company is to provide shareholders with access to a concentrated portfolio, predominantly comprised long-term investments in short positions in the global listed securities. Current price per share is $1.74. 52-week high $1.80, 52-week low $1.74. If we look over the previous year, it started at $1.53, currently at $1.74, which is 21 cents difference. If we look over the previous 5 years, it started at $2.37, currently at $1.74, which is 63 cents difference. The most recent dividend payout was 5 cents for a total of 9.5 cents for 2023. Dividend yield is currently at 5.9% at 100% franked. They pay out in March and September. Fourth company, Nick Scali Limited, stock code NCK. Nick Scali Furniture is one of Australia's largest importers of quality furniture. With a proud Australian history, Nick Scali sources its products from around the world and imports them directly from some of the largest and most respected manufacturers from around the world. Current price per share is $12.56, 52-week high $13.18, 52-week low $8.10. If we look over the previous year, it started at $12.04, currently at $12.56, which is 52 cents difference. If we look over the previous 5 years, it started at $5.07, currently at $12.56, which is $7.49 difference. The most recent dividend payout was 35 cents for a total of 75 cents for 2023. Dividend yield is currently at 6% at 100% franked. They pay out in March and October. Fifth company, Super Retail Group Limited, stock code SUL. Super Retail Group Limited is a retailer of automotive parts, tools, equipment and accessories for boating, camping, fishing, outdoor equipment and apparel, and sporting equipment and apparel. Current price per share is $16.16, 52-week high $16.99, 52-week low $10.56. If we look over the previous year, it started at $12.91, currently at $16.16, which is $3.25 difference. If we look over the previous 5 years, it started at $7.25, currently at $16.16, which is $8.91 difference. The most recent dividend payout was 69 cents for a total of $1.03 for 2023. Dividend yield is currently at 4.5% at 100% franked. They pay out in April and October. Investing $5,000 into NCK would get me 321 shares. Working off the 75 cents in dividends for 2023 would make me $240.75. Investing $5,000 into VG1 would get me 2,873 shares. Working off the 9.5 cents for dividends for 2023 would make me $272.93.5. Investing $5,000 into BHP would get me 105 shares. Working off the $2.61.5 for 2023 would make me $274.57.5. Investing $5,000 in EC would get me 2,506 shares. Working off the 11 cents for dividends for 2023 would make me $275.66. Investing $5,000 into SUL will get me 309 shares. Working off the $1.03 for 2023 would make me $318.27. Only one of these shares have made my top 20 today, and that's SUL. If you like what you've seen today, please like and subscribe so you get the notifications every time I post. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.